Dad, I have always wanted to know how you and Mom met. Can you tell me your love story?
Of course, son. It's a nice story. I meet your mom when we are both in college. I study engineering, and she studies literature.
How did you meet her?
We meet at a campus event. I attend a poetry reading because I want to try something new, and she reads her poems there. I am impressed by her words and her passion.
That sounds interesting. What happens next?
After the event, I find the courage to talk to her. I introduce myself, and we have a great conversation. I learn that she loves writing and reading, and I feel an instant connection with her.
Do you ask her out?
Yes, I do. I ask her if she would like to have coffee with me. She says yes, and we start meeting regularly. We go to different cafes and talk for hours.
What do you talk about?
We talk about everything: books, dreams, and our future. I learn about her favorite authors, and she learns about my interests in engineering. We share our thoughts and ideas.
How do you know that she's the one?
I know because I feel happy and comfortable around her. We support each other's goals and share similar values. I realize that I want to spend my life with her.
When do you propose to her?
I propose during a special trip we take together. We visit a beautiful park with lots of flowers. I choose the perfect spot, and I tell her how much she means to me before asking her to marry me.
Does she say yes?
Yes, she says yes with tears of joy. We both feel excited about our future together. We plan our wedding and start a new chapter in our lives.
What do you like most about her?
I like her kindness, her sense of humor, and her intelligence. She makes me a better person, and she always supports me through challenges. She is my best friend and my partner.
How do you feel about your love story now?
I feel grateful for our journey together. It's a beautiful story of love and companionship. I cherish every moment we share, and I'm happy to have her by my side.
Thanks for sharing your story, Dad. It's really inspiring. Dad, I'm curious. Did you and Mom face any difficulties before getting married?
Yes, we do face some challenges. Both our families had different expectations and concerns.
What kind of difficulties do you face?
Our families have different cultural traditions. My family wants us to follow certain customs, while her family has their own traditions. We try to respect both sides, but it's not always easy.
How do you handle these differences?
We communicate openly with both families. We explain our feelings and our plans. We try to find a middle ground that honors both traditions while making sure we stay true to ourselves.
Do you have any specific disagreements with the families?
Yes, there are disagreements. For example, my family wants a large wedding with many guests, but her family prefers a smaller, more intimate gathering. We discuss our preferences and try to reach a compromise.
How do you convince your families?
We show them how important it is for us to have a wedding that reflects our values and our love for each other. We involve them in the planning process and address their concerns with patience and understanding.
What about financial concerns?
Financial concerns are also a challenge. We both have to manage our budgets carefully. We save money and plan our expenses to make sure we can afford the wedding without causing financial strain.
How do you keep your relationship strong despite these challenges?
Focus on our love and our commitment to each other. We support each other through stressful times and remind ourselves of why we want to be together. We also make time for each other and stay positive.
Does everything work out in the end?
Yes, eventually everything works out. Both families come to understand and accept our choices. We have a beautiful wedding that combines elements of both traditions, and we start our married life happily.
It sounds like you both worked hard to make things work.
We do. Relationships require effort and understanding, especially when facing challenges. But the love and commitment we share help us overcome obstacles and build a strong foundation for our future.
Thanks for telling me about these difficulties. It's good to know that love can overcome challenges.
You're welcome, son. Remember, every relationship has its challenges, but with love and dedication, you can face anything together.
Dad, I want to tell you about my girlfriend and our love story.
I'd love to hear about it. How did you meet her?
We meet at a friend's party. I notice her right away because she has a warm smile and a kind personality. We start talking, and we get along really well.
That sounds wonderful. What do you like most about her?
I like her sense of humor and her passion for her hobbies. She makes me laugh, and we share similar interests. We both enjoy hiking and trying new recipes.
It's great that you have common interests. Do you have any challenges or difficulties in your relationship?
Actually, I don't face any difficulties on my side. But we do face some challenges from her side. Her family has different expectations about relationships and career choices.
How do you handle these challenges?
Since I know you have faced similar difficulties, I feel confident. I talk openly with her family and listen to their concerns. I also reassure them about my intentions and my commitment to her. We try to find ways to address their expectations while staying true to our relationship.
It's good to hear that you handle things with confidence. Communication and understanding are key in these situations. Do you feel like you're making progress?
Yes, I do. Her family begins to understand our perspective and sees how happy we make each other. We continue to build trust and show them that our relationship is strong and meaningful.
That's great. It sounds like you're both doing a wonderful job of navigating these challenges together.
Thanks, Dad. Your experience and advice have been really helpful. I feel more prepared to handle any difficulties that come our way.
I'm glad to hear that. Relationships take effort, but with love and patience, you can overcome challenges and build a strong future together.
I appreciate your support and guidance. It means a lot to me.
Anytime, son. I'm always here to help and support you in any way I can.
Thanks, Dad. I'm excited about our future and grateful for your wisdom.
You're welcome. I'm excited for you too. Keep nurturing your relationship, and you'll both grow stronger together.